Namaste students, in this video we are going to see fifth problem in exercise 13.1. A hemispherical depression is carved out from one face of a cubical wooden block such that the diameter L is L of the hemisphere is equal to the edge to edge of the cube. Edge to edge of the cube. So the length of the cube is L and the diameter of the hemisphere is also L. No values. Okay. Then the radius of a hemisphere is equal to L by 2 centimeter and A, that is length of a cube, is equal to L centimeter. Determine the surface area of the remaining solid. Surface area of the remaining solid. So what we have to find, children? Surface area for the remaining solid. So what we have to find for the cube, children? You can guess by this. We have to find total surface area of a cube. And curved surface area of a hemisphere and curved surface area of a hemisphere and you have to subtract this space. Curved surface area of the hemisphere, that is this space, and you have to subtract this space. It looks like a circle, so you have to subtract pi r square from this. Okay. So first write surface area of the remaining solid is equal to total surface area of a cube plus curved surface area of a hemisphere minus area of a circle, that is nothing but base of hemisphere. First write the formulas. (6a square plus 2 pi r square, curved surface area of a hemisphere is 2 pi r square minus pi r square. The length is L, R is L, and here R is L by 2. Diameter only L, so the radius is L by 2. Clear? Now you have to substitute 6L square plus 2 into 22 by 7 into L by 2 into L by 2 minus 22 by 7 into L by 2 into L by 2. So 6L square plus 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 11s are. So 11 by 7 L square minus 2 ones are 2 11s are 11 by 14 L square. 11 by 14 L square. Okay, then what you can take it out, children? And the L is common in everything, so I am going to take it out. The remaining is 6 plus L by 7 minus 11 by 14, and take LCM. 14 is the LCM, then 6 into 14 plus 11 into 2 minus 11 L square. So the answer is 84 plus 22 minus 11 divided by 14 L square. The answer is, if you add this one and subtract with 11 means you will get 95 divided by 14 L square. 95 divided by 14 L square centimeter square. Clear, children? So keep it in mind that you have to find total surface area of a cube plus curved surface area of a hemisphere minus area of a circle. Thank you.